Hello, I'm going to show you how to get Polygon address in MetaMask. First, install MetaMask. You can download it in MetaMask website. After downloading and installing the extension, you'll be greeted with the MetaMask welcome page. Click Get Started to begin. If you're creating a new wallet, click the Create a Wallet button. You can also import an old wallet using its seed phrase with the Import Wallet option. MetaMask will ask you if you'd like to share anonymous usage data with them to help improve the extension. Accepting or refusing this will not affect your MetaMask usage. Choose a secure password to log into your wallet from your browser. Note that this is not your seed phrase. The password is a security measure to prevent anyone using your device from accessing your wallet. After choosing your password, MetaMask will present you with information regarding your wallet's seed phrase. Make sure to read through if you aren't familiar with how a crypto wallet works. You'll now be presented with your seed phrase. Click the lock to view the words and take a note of them in the correct order. Keep the phrase in a secure place, preferably offline, and never share it with anyone. This string of numbers is the final backup of your wallet and its contents. Click Next to continue. You'll now have to repeat your seed phrase by selecting the words at the bottom of the screen in the right order. Click Confirm once this is completed. Your MetaMask wallet will now be set up, ready to use. Click All Done to view your wallet. To make MetaMask easy to access, you can pin it to your Chrome browser by clicking the puzzle icon and pinning MetaMask to the toolbar. After the initial setup, MetaMask will only be connected to Ethereum